Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you an example of a Play-Doh monster using our Make Your Own Monster kits. To start, we're going to open up our Make Your Own Monster kit. Each kit is going to come with Play-Doh and an assortment of craft supplies. We've got some pipe cleaner, googly eyes, pom-poms, and little glitter confetti. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take out the Play-Doh and I'm going to make a body for our monster. Alright, that's looking like a pretty good monster body to me. So next what I'm going to do is take some scissors and I'm going to cut up the pipe cleaner to make some legs for our little monster to crawl around on. Alright, so here is my monster with his body and his little leggies. Next, I am going to give him some eyes so that he can creep on people.
Nice.
Alright, so now our monster has some very creepy eyes. Give him a little pom-pom because everyone deserves to have a cute little hat. Alright, and then I'm gonna give him a nice smile. And there he is, our very creepy monster. So here's just one example of the kind of thing you can make using our Make Your Own Monster kit. Here are a couple more examples. Pumpkin spider, sea creature dragon man. All of these are the kind of ways you can get creative using the Make Your Own Monster kit. Make sure to pick up your own Make Your Own Monster kit from Youth Services while supplies last. Thanks for watching.